The giant dripping bird. I found this a few months ago and I thought, this is awesome. It looks like a big robin made out of chrome and it's dripping. Ain't that wild? This is Rick Wolf. And oh, the statue's about the right height. This is Rick Wolf. I know I just said that. I want to talk about the vision. What is your vision for the future? Do you have a vision for the next 5 years? Is that up high enough? Let me move this over here. Maybe it's better if I put it up on the statue. Make it a little crooked. Will that make it crooked? Might make it the picture a little crooked. Anyways, I want to talk about the vision. What is your vision for the next 5 years? Do you have a plan? My vision is to help 100 people make a living online. And to me, you need to work with somebody with a big vision.